Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can view someone's TikTok profile without them knowing that you viewed the profile. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to your profile by clicking the profile text on the bottom right corner. Then you need to click the three lines on the top right corner and just click settings and privacy. Here you need to click privacy. You need to scroll down to profile views and click on that. Here you can turn on profile view history, which basically means that people will be able to see that you viewed their profile, and you will also be able to see the people who viewed your profile. So once you turn this on, you will be able to see who viewed your profile if this function is also turned on for them. So if you turn this function off, people won't be able to see when you clicked on their profile. Alright, so all in all, this is how you view someone's profile on TikTok without them knowing. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.